What is your name?
Smith.
And what's the purpose of the stop?
We are in the people safety check.
This is not a taxi.
So, may I have a look at the driver's license?
This is not a taxi, officer.
Huh?
This is not a taxi.
May I have a look at the driver's
My name is Jermaine Dunn, by the way.
Okay, Mr. Dunn. May I have a look at the driver's license?
And what is the purpose of that?
I just explained that to you. The moment you're operating a motor vehicle.
No, sir. So, guess what? I have the whole day. We can go to Sansan police station if you want. But I'm refusing to give you. I'm not going to give it to you unless you have some reasonable suspicion of an offense. And if you don't have that, I'm not giving it to you. So we can turn the engine off. You can do many things. I'm going to step out of the vehicle. You can do whatever you like, but you're not getting my license. Afternoon. Yes.
Sergeant Daly is my name, sir.
Yes, Sergeant Daly.
Yes, sir. We are conducting national coordinated roadblock along this roadway,
Yes,
sir.
yes.
In the form of people, vehicle safety checks.
Yes.
We are checking for wanted men,
Yes.
drugs,
Yes.
step on the road traffic act,
Yes.
dangerous drugs act,
Yes.
firearms act,
Yes.
as well as the drugs, dangerous drugs act, firearms act, JCF act, and road traffic act.
Just stopping me under all the acts.
I'm stopping on all the acts.
What's the reasonable suspicion of an offense?
There's no reasonable suspicion.
Of an offense.
There's no reasonable suspicion. Why I stop you?
What's the ground for
The
stopping me?
ground for stopping you.
Yes.
People, vehicle safety checks.
Yes.
And we are using those authorities
Yes.
to check your vehicle,
Yes.
to see if it is roadworthy,
Right.
to be on the road.
Well, unfortunately, officer, it's Friday, but like I said, it's my license. My name is Jermaine Dunn. I'm not a wanted person. I see no grounds for you to get my license. In fact, this very issue right now, to strike down that section of the Road Traffic Act, is what I have before the Supreme Court right now.
No problem.
So I am saying to you that
Yes.
I would ask you, sir, to cease and desist from continuing to request
To
my
go
license.
further.
Hold on.
To go further.
To request my
Let me
license
finish.
Unless you have
To go
grounds.
further.
Otherwise,
To
I'm
go
suggesting
further. To go
that
further,
you
sir.
let us go to the station.
To go
Because
further.
I'm not-
No problem.
Yes, let
To
us
go
to the
further,
station.
sir.
Let's go.
We get a description.
I said, let's
We
go.
get a description. We get a description
Yes,
of
let
a
me-
vehicle
let me lean up on the
fitting
car. Yes.
this one,
Yes.
carrying goats
Yes.
stolen from in the
Yes.
rural district of East Portland.
Yes.
Could you fly a trunk from a place?
Me?
Yes.
I will not do that. So
Fly a trunk,
if
we'll
you
search in
believe
the
there
vehicle.
are grounds to search the vehicle,
Yes,
go
sir.
ahead.
And I put the last
If
name
you
act.
believe you have grounds to search,
And I put the last name act.
yes.
Please open your trunk,
I
sir.
refuse. There's nothing under law that says I must assist you in a search. So if you believe you have
All
grounds
right,
for a
so please
search,
look what I'm doing. I'm going to search your vehicle, sir. Look what I'm doing, please.
watch me step aside.
Pay attention. Good morning, ma'am. What is that? Please fly your trunk for me, sir.
I'm not flying anything. I'm not assisting
Yes.
you. I'm not flying
Please step on me.
anything.
Thank you very much.
Remind me what's your name again? What's your
Dale
name?
is my name. Only Dale is my name.
Watch it beat in your get on a station
Yes,
today.
sir. No
I'm
problem.
going forward.
No problem. No problem, sir.
Run up in this, man. You're down a foolish
You
idiot.
have all the authorities. I have to stop you.
Man, you don't know
I'll take
law.
it.
You don't know law. That
Okay,
is why
sir.
I'm not stop Richard
No
Fowler.
problem, sir.
Foolish.
Just look
Foolish.
what I'm doing.
Yes, man.
Pay keen attention.
Me not, me.
My hands are clean, see?
Me. Now, watch your hand them. I just
Yes.
exalt yourself. Watch your embarrassment you can get.
No problem.
Freaking idiot.
No problem.
Roger. The AG girl love this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. You're showing your big balls? You're showing your big balls? Show
Just
big
look
balls.
what I'm doing,
You went
sir.
in there already. Where you going for again?
Look what I'm
You
doing.
went in there already. What you going in for again?
Please go ahead.
You move from no reasonable suspicion
Go
to
around
go
here.
here about go to damn idiot. This idiot,
around
I
here.
love this. Freaking idiot. You're going around here. Embarrassing yourself, you damn idiot, but you're a sergeant. You're an idiot.
No
Let me
worries.
tone down my voice. You're an idiot. You're an idiot. A fool. You're trying to embarrass yourself. Embarrass yourself. Go on. You got life too. Embarrass yourself. Damn idiot. Go on and embarrass yourself. You must want to join the ranks of people like Inspector Marcel Bryan.
Sir, please look what I'm doing.
I'm not looking at anything. Just do what you want to do. Put something in there. Me laugh at this one. Make me laugh at this one. One battle. But the internet don't love this one. You're showing your big balls, boy, your sergeant. Keep showing, man.
There's nothing illegal for in a vehicle, sir.
And I say how we did. You don't want to go to the
Enjoy the rest of your
trunk.
day.
You don't want to go to the trunk.
Enjoy the rest
You
of the
don't want to pull the trunk. Go pull it up.
Your vehicle is defective. I have a full mind carry this vehicle to the examination depot.
Proceed.
Check.
If that's what you want, say, do what you want.
Enjoy the rest of your day, Mr.
Alright. You don't want the license again?